Welcome to Blue TV. Today I will read about PHP. PHP function reg list. Reg doesn't exit closed matches. MB array search pops. MB array replace callback. MB regi replace. MB array search rags. MB array search int. MB array search. MB array search get raise. MB array search get pause. MB array match. MB array search set pause. MB array replace recursive generator. MB array have rave red to tag have break exec iu read prev mix mq series get ms jpg serialize eio enriquez io write grep error log app repair error max series begin. PHP function list frag split chunk split MB str split debug key split MB split str split SQLite 3 list shop client sprint tip vs printf splitstack print sequence client pi idap list ps linto ftpo and list emap list subfault sample file for object mysql printf sol client display heap gmp clibit pcntl wait spl subject sp printf snm passet reg replace PHP function list reg replace MB reg replace MB reg replace callback MB regi replace str replace str I replace array replace db replace sub str replace grep replace callback pg prepare MB array search ingress prepare spell store replacement and courses replace panel pg trace log reply idop mod replace ebay prepare replace callback array dwas replace record iwas prepare पहले आर प्रेशर fword prepare disk fresh space MB reg match PC begin template MB reg search get pops str repeat break grep RE function, preg filter, preg grep, preg last error, MSG, preg last error, preg match all, preg match, preg quit, preg replace callback array, preg replace callback, preg replace, preg split. Preg grep, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Preg grep, return array entries that match the pattern description. Preg grep, string patterns array, variable array, int variable flags equal to 0. Array false, returns the array consisting of the elements of the array that match the given patterns. Parameters. Pattern, the pattern to search for as a string array, the input array flags in set to preg grep invert. This function return the elements of the input array that do not match the given pattern. Returns value, returns an array indexed using the key from the array. Examples, example has one preg grep example. Open PHP, comment return all array elements, comment containing floating point numbers. Variable fl array equal to preg grep variable array. Close PHP. Preg match, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Preg match, perform a regular expression match. Description. Preg match, string patterns, string variable subject array, variable matches equal to null, int variable flags equal to 0, int variable offset equal to 0, int false. Search subject for match to the regular expression given in patterns. Parameters. Patterns, the pattern to search for as string, subject the input string. Matches, if matches is provided then it is filled with the results of search. Variable matches 0 will contain the text that matched the full patterns. Variable match 1 will have the text that matched the first captured parentheses, sub patterns and so on. Flags can be combination of the following flags. Preg offset capture, if this flag is passed for every occurring match, the absent string offset in bytest will also be returned. Note that this changes the value of matches into an array where every element is an array consisting of the matched string of offset 0 and its string offset into subject 8 offset 1. open php preg match slash f double o bar bash 4 bar bash variable match preg offset capture print printer variable matches php close. The above example will output array 0 equal to lesser than array 0 equal to lesser than 4 bar bash 1 equal to lesser than 0, 1 equal to lesser than array 0 equal to 4, 1 equal to 0, 2 equal to array 0 equal to bar 1 equal to 3, 3 array 0 bar 1 6. Preg unmatched as null. If this flag is passed, unmatched sub patterns are reported as null, otherwise they are reported as an empty string. Open php preg match variable matches var dump variable matches preg match slash ab cac variable matches preg unmatched as null var dump variable matches close php. The above example will output array 4 0 string 2 ac 1 string 1 a 2 string 0 3 string 1 c array 4 0 string 2 ac 1 string 1 2 null 3 string 1 c. Offset. Normally the search starts from the beginning of the subject string. The optional parameters offset can be used to specify the alternate place from which to start the search in whitetext. Note: using offset is not equivalent to passing subject variable subject variable offset to preg match in place of the subject string, because pattern can contain assertion such as caret dollar or question mark greater than equal to x. Compare php $subject abc diff variable patterns slash def preg match dollar variable patterns variable subject variable matches preg offset capt ur e3 printer matches. The above example will output array. While this example php subject variable subject abc def variable patterns equal to quotation single quotation slash quote diff slash quotation mark semicolon. Preg match variable patterns stars variable subject 3 variable matches preg 0 f set capture print r matches php close. Will product array 0 def 1 0. Alternatively, to avoid using substr, use the /g assertion rather than the caret anchor or the modifier instead, both of which work with the offset parameters. Returns value. Preg match returns 1 if the patterns matches given subject, 0 if 2 does not, or false in an array extracted. Warning: this function may return boolean false but may also return a non-boolean value, which value evaluates to false. Please read the section on boolean of more information. Use the equal to operator of testing the return value of this function. Changelog. Version description. The preg unmatches as null is now supported for the $flags parameters. Examples /1 find the string of text PHP. PHP comment the I after the patterns delimiters indicates a case insensitive search. If preg match /php PHP is the web scripting language of echo eyes. Echo match was found as echo match was not found. Examples has to find the word web. PHP comment the B in the patterns indicates word boundaries, so only the district stars word web is match and not word prettier like webbing or co-web. If preg match quotation forward slash bweb /b/I PHP is the web scripting language of choice. Echo a match was found as echo a match was not found. If preg match bwebi PHP is the website scripting language EF choice, echo match was found as echo a match was not found. Example has 3 getting the domain name out of URL. PHP comment get host name from URL. Preg match @question http // parenthesis square parenthesis caret / plus @I http / www.php.net.index.html variable matches variable host equal to variable matches 1. Comment get last 2 segment of host name. Preg match short matches. Echo domain name is variable matches 0 and the above example will output domain name is php.net. Example using named sub patterns. PHP variable str bar 2008 preg match PHP name pdigit variable str variable matches alternative preg match single quotation / question greater than name lesser than close /w plus question greater than digit lesser than /d plus / variable str variable matches. print are variable matches. PHP close. The above example will output array 0 for bar 2008, name for bar 1 for bar digit 2008 to 2008. Notes: tip: do not use frag match if you only want to check if one string is contained in another string. Use asterisk instead, as it will be faster. Frag match all. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Frag match all. Perform a global regular expression match. Description: frag match all string variable patterns, string variable subject array variables matches equal to null, int variable flags equal to 0, int variable offset equal to 0, int false null. Search subject for all matches to the regular expression given in patterns and puts them in matches in the order specified flag. After the first match is found, the subsequent search are continued on from end of the last match. Parameters: patterns, the pattern to search for a string, subject, the input string, matches, array of all matches in multi-dimensional array ordered according to flags. Flags can be combination of the following flags. Note that it doesn't make sense to use frag patterns ordered together with frag set order. Frag patterns order results so that variable match 0 is an array of full patterns matches. Variable match 1 is an array of string matched by the first parenthesis sub patterns and so on. PHP open PHP frag match all quotation mark pipe greater than square parenthesis correct lesser than square parenthesis plus lesser than parenthesis dot string equal to lesser than slash bracket caret lesser than bracket plus lesser than pipe u. B example: B div align left, this is test div, close div. Variable out frag patterns order echo $out 00 $out 01 echo out 10 out 11 and PHP close. The above example will output example B close div align left, this is test div close example, this is a test. So variable out 0 contain array of string that matched full patterns and $out 1 contains array of string enclosed by tags if the patterns contains named sub patterns. Matches additionally contains entries for keys with the sub patterns name. If the patterns contains duplicate named sub patterns, only the rightmost sub patterns is stored in sub $matches name. Open PHP frag match all match for match bar variable matches frag patterns order printer variable match close PHP. The above example will output array 0 equal to lesser than 1 equal to lesser than bar. Break set orders result so that variable match 0 is an array of first set of match dollar matches 1 is an array of second set of matches, and so on. PHP preg match all. Example, div align left, this is test. Variable out preg set order echo variable out 0 0, variable out 0 1, echo variable out 1 0, variable out 1 1. PHP close. The above example will output B example, B close example, div align left, this is test, div close, this is a test. Flag offset capture. If this flag is passed for every pouring match, the appended string offset in by test will also be returned. Notes that this changes the value of matches into an array where every element is an array consisting of the matched string at offset and its string offset into subject at offset 1. Open PHP preg match all fo bar baj variable match preg offset capture printer variable match. PHP close. The above example will output array 0 array 0 array 0 4 bar baj 1 0 1 array 0 array 0 4 1 0 2 array 0 array 0 bar 1 3 3 array 0 array 0 baj 1 6. Flag unmatched as null. If this flag is passed, unmatched subpatterns are reported as null, otherwise they are reported as an empty string. If no order flag is given, preg patterns order is assumed upset. Normally the search starts from the beginning of the subject string. The optional parameters of set can be used to specify the alternate place from which to start the search in by task. Not using of set is not equivalent to passing sub str variable subject variable offset to preg match all in place of the subject string, because patterns can contain assertions such as C preg match, for example, returns the number of full patterns match, which might be 0 or false if an error occurred. Change log. The preg unmatched as null is now supported for the $flags parameter. Example has one getting all phone numbers out of some text. PHP preg match all / question D3 question / question 1 / -1 s / D3 D4 call 551212 or 1-800-551212 variable phones. Example, to find matching HTML tag Grady PHP comment 2 is an example of backspacing. This tells PCRC that it must match the second set of parentheses in the regular expression itself, which would be the parentheses /w. In this case, the extra backslash is required because the string is in double quotes. $HTML b bold text b a href d.html click me a preg match all quotations backward slash parenthesis greater than parenthesis bracket forward slash w parenthesis bracket plus parenthesis bracket caret greater than bracket variable HTML variable matches preg set order. For each variable matches as variable well echo matched variable well 0 and echo part 1 variable val and echo part 2 variable and echo part 3 variable 3 and echo part 4 variable 4 and n. The above example will output matched b bold text part 1b part 2b part 3 bold text part 4b matched href HTML click me part 1 href .html part 2a part 3 click me part 4a. Example has 3 engine name patterns php str popo a1 b2 c3 4 preg match all name digit variable str variable matches comment alternative preg match all name w plus digit variable str matches print arm matches question mark php close. The above example will output array 0 a1 1 b2 2 c3 name array 0 a 1 b 2 c 1 array 0 a 1 b 2 c digit array 0 1 1 2 2 3 2 array 0 1 1 2 2 3. Preg replace perform regular expression search and replace. Description preg replace string array $pattern string arrays replacement string array subject int limit -1 in $count null string array null. Search subject for match to pattern and replace them with replacement parameters patterns. The patterns to search for it can be either a string or an array with string serial pcr modifier or also available replacement. The string or an array with string to replace if this parameter is string and patterns parameter is an array. All patterns will be replaced by that string if both patterns and replacement parameters are array. Each patterns will be replaced by the replacement counterpart if there are fewer elements in the replacement array than in the patterns array. In any extra patterns will be replaced by an empty string. Replacement may contain the references of the from with the latter from begin the performed one. Every such reference will be replaced by the text captured by the parenthesis patterns and can be from 0 to 99, and 0 or variable 0 refers to text matched by the whole patterns. Opening parentheses are content from left to right string from 1 to obtain the number of capturing subpatterns. Note that backslash in string literals may require to be escaped when working with replacement patterns where the back reference is immediately followed by another number. Replacing lectures from immediately after a match at patterns, you cannot use the familiar one notation for your back friends. /11 for example would confuse break replace since it does not know whether you want to the /1 back reference followed by lateral 1 or the slash backward /11 back reference followed by nothing. In this case, the solution is to use variable 1 this creator in slotted $1 back performance, leaving the 1 as return. When using the disbraced modifier, this function escapes some characters, namely a null in the string that replace the back references. This is done to ensure that so syntax error arise from back reference using with either single or double quotes. Strlen $1 single quotes variable plus tone makes your however PHP string syntax to know exactly how the interpreted string will look. Subject the string are an array with string to search and replace. If subject is an array, then search and replace is performed on every entry of subject and the return value is an array as well. Limit the maximum possible replacement for each pattern in each subject string default to 1. No limit count if specified. This variable will be filled with the number of replacement done. Returns value break replace returns an array if the subject parameters in array or string. Otherwise, if match are found, the new subject will be returned. Otherwise, subject will be returned unchanged or null if an error expression using the modifier is an error and e warning is emitted. In this case, example using back references followed by numeric literals. PHP strings variable strings April 15, 2003 $patterns W plus D plus 1 replacement $1 3 echo break replace variable patterns variable replacement variable string. The above example will output April 2003. Example using indexed array with break replace. Open PHP string variable string the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. Variable patterns array variable pattern 0 quick variable patterns 1 index brown variable patterns index 2 fox variable replacement array variable replacement 2 bear variable replacement 1 black variable replacement 0 slow echo break replace variable patterns variable replacement variable strings PHP close. The above example will output the bear black slow jump over the lazy dog. By case sorting patterns and replacement, we should get the we wanted PHP case sort variable patterns case sort replacements echo break replace variable patterns, variable replacement, variable strings. The above example will output the slow black bear jump over the lazy dog. Example replacing several values. PHP $patterns array 1920 D2 D12 D12 replace array 34121 echo preg replace variable patterns variable replace start date 1999 527. Example is the strip white space. This example strip access the white space from string PHP str for str preg replace. This will be for now echo str. Example 5 using the count parameter PHP count 0 echo preg replace array echo count. The above example will output. Notes: when using array with patterns and replacement, the keys are the processed in the order they appear in the array. This is not necessarily the same as the numerical index order. If you use indexes to identify which patterns should be replaced by which replacement, you should patterns are sort on each array prior to calling preg replace. Preg split string of the regular expression. Description: preg split string pattern string subject int limit 1 string variable flags 0 array false. Split the given string by regular expression parameters the pattern to search for edge to string subject the input string limit if specified, then only substrings up to limit are returned with the rate of string begin placed in the last substring. A limit of 1 0 no limit. Flag can be any combination of the following flags combined with the bitwise operator. Preg split no empty. If this flag is set, only non-empty prices will be returned by preg split. Preg split dem capture. If this flag is set, parenthesis expression in the delimiters patterns will be captured and returns as well. Preg split offset capture. If this flag is set, is every occurring match of the latent string offset will also be returned. Note that this changes the return value in array where every element in array consisting of the matched string at offset 0 and its string offset into subject at offset 1. Returns value. Returns an array containing substrings of subject split along boundaries matched by patterns of false on failure. Example 1 preg split. Example get the parts of search string. Split the phrases by any number of commas or space characters which include quotation, slash, or slash and slash. Variable keywords. Preg split hypertext language programming language print are variable keywords. The above example will output array Index 0 hypertext. Index 1 languages. 2 programming. Example: splitting a string into component chapters. PHP str string chapter break split. 1 break split, no empty printers chars. The above example will output array 0s1t 2r 3i 4n 5g. Example: splitting string into match and their offset. PHP str hypertext language programming. Variable chart preg split offset capture printers chart. The above example will output array open parenthesis array 0 hypertext 1 close parenthesis 1 array open parenthesis languages 1 10 close parenthesis 2 array 0 programming 1 19. Notes tip: if you don't need the power of regular expression, you can choose faster albeit similar alternative like explode str split. Tip of matches: fall an array with the single elements containing the input string will be returned. Break filter perform regular expression. Thank you for watching this video.